This question is solving an equation when we're given the values of our variables. What is the value of a parenthesis c minus 3 n parenthesis plus 4b when a equals 2, b equals 4, and c equals 6? So the first thing I'm going to do is plug in our variable, or our values for our variables. So instead of a, we'll now have 2, parenthesis c is 6, minus 3 doesn't change, so I'm just going to copy that, and then plus 4, and 4 is actually being multiplied by b, so 4. Multiplication, you can see a couple different ways. For parenthesis 4 with like a little raised dot 4, or 4 with a tiny little raised x. These all mean multiplication, but they're just written different ways. So with this, we're going to follow the order of operations, which is PEMDAS. So first is parenthesis, second is exponent, third is multiplication and division, which we can do either one, it doesn't matter the order of these two, and last is addition and subtraction, and these can be done in either order, it doesn't matter. So first is parenthesis, so we're going to address what's in our parenthesis. So we have 6 minus 3, which leaves us with 3. And I'm just going to copy down everything else. So because there's nothing really to be done in this parenthesis, that's why I just copied it back down, because there's no addition or subtraction or simplification, so I'm just going to copy it. So now would be exponents, but we don't have any, so we're just going to skip that. And next is multiplication and division. So we don't have any division, but we do have multiplication. So we have 2 times 3, which gives us 6, plus 4 times 4, which gives us 16. And now we're on to our last step, which is addition and subtraction. So that will just give us 22. And that's our answer. Here's some other questions that cover the same concept. If you want to pause here and try them yourself, do so now. The answer for the first one is -4, the second one's 11, and the last one is 0. Working the first problem, what is the value of b parenthesis a plus 3 n parenthesis minus 4c when a equals 2, b equals 4, and c equals 6? First, I'm just going to substitute in our values again. So we'll have 4 parenthesis 2 plus 3 minus 4 times 6. So first we're going to address what's in our parenthesis. So 3 plus 2, well 2 plus 3 gives us 5. And then I'm just going to copy down everything else again. So 4 times 5 gives us 20, minus 4 times 6 gives us 24. 20 minus 24 gives us -4. Working the second problem, what is the value of c parenthesis b minus a n parenthesis plus 7b when a equals 8, b equals 3, and c equals 2? So first I'm just going to substitute in our values. So we'll have 3 minus 8 plus 7 multiplied by 3. So first we're going to address what's inside our parenthesis, so that will give us -5. We'll still have 2 plus 7 multiplied by 3. 2 times -5 gives us -10, plus 7 times 3 is 21, so that gives us 11. And that's our answer. Working our last problem, what is the value of 6b minus a, parentheses 7 minus c, end parentheses, when a equals 2, b equals 2, and c equals 1? So again, I'm going to substitute our values into the equation. So we'll have 6 multiplied by 2 minus 2 multiplied by 7 minus 1. We'll address what's inside our parentheses first. That gives us 6. Just going to copy down everything again. 6 times 2 gives us 12, minus 2 times 6 gives us 12, and our answer is 0.